Welcome to Knot So Kreativ. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sew a beautiful and practical boxed bag, complete with neat French corner seams. This project is beginner-friendly and yet detailed enough to challenge your sewing skills. Let's dive in. Fuse the fleece to all the outer panels. Take the zipper tabs and fold them in half. Then fold each edge a quarter inward and fold in half again. Sew along the edges to secure the folds. Fold the outer panels, the lining and the zipper in half and mark the center with a small notch for alignment. Place one outer panel with the right side facing up. Lay the zipper right side down along the top edge. Then, place the lining panel right side down on top of the zipper, aligning the edges. Sew together with a 1 cm seam allowance. Open the panels and press the seam flat. Top stitch along the edge for a clean finish. Repeat the process on the other side. With the zipper facing up, layer the remaining outer panel, right side down on top. And place the lining panel right side up on the bottom. Make sure the edges and sides are aligned. Pin everything in place and sew with a 1 cm seam allowance. Press and top stitch along the edge for a polished look. If the sides of your panels are slightly uneven, you can trim them now, ensuring all edges and the zipper ends are neatly aligned with the sides of the panels. Fold the zipper tabs in half and place them over the zipper ends, aligning the edges. Sew them in place with a ½ cm seam allowance. Align the bottoms of the outer panels with right sides facing each other and pin them in place. Repeat the same with the lining panels. Sew both bottom edges using a 1 cm seam allowance. Align the bottom edges of both the outer and lining panels with the zipper and pin them in place. Repeat this process on the other side. Press flat, ensuring the sides have the same width. Using a ruler, mark a rectangle measuring 6 by 4 cm on all 4 corners of the bag. Carefully cut out the marked rectangles. Sew the side seams of the bag with a 1 cm seam allowance. Turn the bag right side out through one of the open corners. Pin the edges of the corners together, making sure you catch both the lining and the outer fabric. Sew with 1 cm seam allowance. Trim all seam allowances in half using regular scissors or pinking shears to reduce bulk. Turn the bag right side out, ensuring all corners are fully pushed out. Pin the edges of the corners again and sew with the ½ cm seam allowance to enclose all raw edges. Finally, turn the bag right side out and press it neatly. And that's it, your bag is complete. And it's looking fantastic with those neat French seams and polished edges. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your sewing friends. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, happy sewing, and I'll see you in the next video.